Bienvenue to Le Café Craft. Okay, video coming is gonna be the Avery envelope, but before we start anything, I'm gonna insert that little insert. How about that? So I've been having a whole bunch of questions about the giveaway and how that work and all of that. So I'm gonna address that. I'm gonna try to be clear because sometimes I'm not clear. Believe me, if there's something you don't understand, chances are it's because sometimes I'm really inept at explaining things. Okay, and then back then I was French, so that doesn't help either. So it goes like this: when you subscribe to Le Café Craft, you become a subscriber. When you write a little comment in the comment section, right, it says, I don't know, let's say your name is Wokey Pokey, it's gonna say, Wokey Pokey said, what you did today was really cool, right? Okay, Wokey Pokey is your subscriber name. You do not need to have a YouTube channel. Chances are it's going to be your name. In most cases, when you write a comment, it's going to say your name, you write the comment, and then this is what I got on this end. So I hope this is kind of clear. The giveaway. In order to get the downloads for the giveaway for each video of this series, except for the intro, part 1, 2, 3, part 250, I don't know how many parts there's gonna be. Anyway, each video has a giveaway download for subscribers. So every morning I go through all the email I got and I send the download according to what it says, which is, if you need the download for part 1, the spine, then I go and I attach in the answer the download that were available for the spine. If you refer to part 3, the pockets, then I'm gonna answer you an email with whatever free download was going with the pockets. It's a little bit annoying because you get to email for each one of them. But in all honesty, on this end, this is the best way for me to do it because I read your email and it says inside cover and I know exactly which one goes in there. And because of the size of the attachment, I cannot send you 1, 2, 3 and blah 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 in one email. That's not possible. So unfortunately, we get to go one video at a time. Now, you do not want to put your email in the comment section because it's a public channel, which means everybody's got access to everything, and it's the YouTube world, and as we know, there's the good world and there's the bad world. That's the only requirement. I mean, they're free, they're available. In 3 years from now, if you want to do that lab book and need the download, they will be available. But the thing is, you do have to subscribe and write down in the email your subscriber name. That's really the only, things that you have to do. Subscribe. So I think we got all that email giveaway thing covered. For the supplies, I had a question about the rings because people want to order the ring because they want to be ahead of the game, which I don't blame them at all. So in the intro video, in the description box, there is the link on where you can get the rings on Amazon. I mean, you can get them from anywhere else for that matter, but at least that's a start. They are those rings. They are called Shanty, but I'm not sure. Hold on. They are called, no, they're not called that. So see, I'm glad I checked. They are called Shapenty, Shapenty. Okay, that's the brand. And they are, the one I use are bronze, and they are 7 millimeters. Okay, that's the one I will be using. If you want to use something more heavy duty, and if you look at the spine in the flip through of the best ever lab book, I used heavy duty rings, but they are flat. Let me show you what I mean by that. Whoops. Okay, so those are the one right here, 7 millimeters. That's the one with the link in the intro video. Okay, the other one I didn't put a link for it because they are way more expensive than those. Those are flat, heavy-duty ring. Those you definitely need this because they really are hard to open. And this is the name of the company. It's called We've Got Mail, right? So We've Got Mail, MAILLE.com. I'm gonna leave this here if you want to do a screenshot of what those are those. That's, I think I covered everything. The intro video has every single item listed. After that, each video's got, whatever we use in that video. But maybe this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a link for the jump ring in the upcoming videos. So if you want to order them and have them ready, we are not going to use them before really the end of the lab book. So you have plenty time to, go around and see if you can find some here or there, or whichever way you want to get them. All right, that's about that. And coming up is the Avery envelope.